Hey guys, today I want to talk about how to create your own unique style as a filmmaker. Hey guys, my name's Lucas. If you're new to this channel, we make how-to videos teaching you how to make better short films. This video is about how to create your own unique style as a filmmaker. So I've made about 14 or 15 short films, and after about 5 or so, people started to say my films all had a unique style. I think all the best directors have their own unique style. People like Quentin Tarantino, Wes Anderson, David Fincher, Damien Chazelle even. People that really have fun with their craft and take risks. They really have their own unique style. That's the best place to be because people really love films that have a unique voice. They follow you like they would a musician who puts out a new album because they love how you make films. It's not just what's the latest film out there, I'm gonna go watch films. For me, I can't wait for my favorite directors to put out films because of their unique style. The first way to actually find out if you have a style or an inclination to a style is to start creating your own stuff. If you haven't created anything yet, you won't know what your style is. So my advice to you is go create short films, go create projects, and just start to make stuff. Take a step back and look at what you liked about it and what is the unifying voice there. And you can start to realize this is a unique part of how I like to make films. And you can build on that. And you won't really be able to tell just by thinking about it. The reason why you have to go create something is because once the finished product is there, you can take a look at it, step back, and see what about it you like and what you didn't like, because you're learning and growing. So you can take away the bits you don't like, because sometimes your film turn out not exactly how you want it. So that's not necessarily your style because you don't like that. So you look at the things that you do like and what you don't like and build from there. So once you've made a few films and you're starting to get a roll-on effect, you can start to see your style kind of emerging. Tip number 2 is to copy others. The best way to really fine-tune your style is to copy the artists and the filmmakers that you really love their style. So for me, I look at people, like I said, Quentin Tarantino, Wes Anderson, David Fincher, and I watch their movies and I take in what's unique about them and I take from multiple sources and I infuse that into my films. So the cinematography style, the writing style, the editing style, all those different things, it might be different parts that I like from each of them, and I put that into my work somehow by copying different aspects of their films. It's totally okay to copy while you're learning what your unique style is and trying different things. It's like trying on different outfits and seeing what suits you best. You might like how that director does things, but when you do it, it doesn't really stick. So it's experimenting and trying techniques that you see in films that you love. So tip number 3 is take risks. So this is like once you've started making films, once you started copying techniques and trying to emulate the filmmakers you love, now it's time to go take risks and do stuff that no one else is doing. Do stuff that you haven't ever seen before and be spontaneous with different techniques that you come up with. Once you start to take risks and really be out there, you might venture into territory that no one's ever been before, and you can really create a unique style because no one would have ever done that but you. If you try things out and see how it works, if people like it and connect with it, or if you think it really helps tell your story and you've invented a new way to tell the story, that is the quickest way to create a unique style that people are going to start to copy and really notice you for, and really say that film is such a film, like you put your name there. And that way they're going to want to watch more of your films because they're not going to get that anywhere else, and they really follow you like a fan, and like that's when they really love your work and they can't wait for your next film that you're going to put out. So those are 3 tips on how to create your own unique style. Hope that helped you. If it did, leave a comment down below or click like. And if you want to see more content, tips and tricks and behind the scenes, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you actually see the videos. And other than that, I'll see you next week.